This is a 3-pack of men's t-shirts sent a review from Pinspark. These are so soft and comfortable. They are stretchy AF, like just amazing. So if you're looking for like a really baggy men's cut t-shirt, ladies, this is the one. It's great for working out. It's great for pajamas. It's great for daily wear, so you can wear it out. This is the men's small, and I'm 5'8", 135 pounds for reference. You can wear it out, nice and long sleeves. Again, great for sun coverage. And then you could tuck it in regular. You can also do fun stuff like, I like to twist it and tuck it in, and that gives you more of a fitted look. Just amazing. And this is a 3-pack, don't forget. So I got the one with the black, red, and blue. Just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love these. I'm gonna share them with my husband, or I might just keep them for myself. This is a 5-pack of men's t-shirts I was sent to review from Pinspark. And these are more like a shiny, quick drying polyester, almost like a nylon feel. It's really that shine. So you can tell the difference between this one and the last one. The last one was like that soft cotton feel, and this one is more like the shiny, shimmery, But the same cut. This is a small. I'm 5'8", 135 pounds. And again, you can just kind of tuck it in for the cinched in look. You can do a French tuck, you could wear it out, you could belt it, whatever. It's great for layering and just being super comfortable. Very stretchy. The other one was more stretchy, it's just the different material going on here, but great basic t-shirt.